Hello there, let's learn how to add colors. Continuing from our previous video, I have created 3 buttons which will change the status accordingly. As you can see, there's ongoing, completed and delayed. So whenever I click on the button, this will change the status as it is. Now let's try to add some colors to it, because it's a bit boring, right? It's actually a good cognitive approach. To do that, let's head over to UX Format Rules. And once you're there, let's add a new format rule. So I'm just going to give it a name so that it's easier for me to find next time. Oops, some typo over there. Check on the table source. And let's add a condition. Of course, you can add any condition that you like, but for this case, I want to set once the status is in progress, then the format will apply. Let's click save, and let's select which column that we want it to format. So I'm going to format the same column, which is status. And from here, you can add your own icon, change the text color, size, and etc. So I'm just going to go with green to show something positive, perhaps. And of course, to make it even stand out, I'm going to add a bold effect for this particular status. Once done, let's click save. Now let's have a look. Oh wait. Oops, it's ongoing, not in progress. My bad. Let me fix it real quick. Now let's try it now. As you can see, it's done. Ongoing is green, and with the particular icon that I've set. Now let's do for the rest. I mean, the fastest way to make is to make a copy. You can change the name and condition accordingly, and you can repeat the same process for the other conditions that you want to do. I'm just going to speed this up. And the final result will be every time whenever I change status, it would follow the color and text with the icon accordingly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs and sub so that I can do more videos for you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.